Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of RAM with the G.Skill Ripjaws V16GB DDR4-2666 RAM kit. If you're looking to supercharge your PC's performance, this could be the ultimate solution you've been searching for. Let's break down the specs first. This kit packs a punch with 16GB of DDR4 memory, split into two 8GB sticks. Running at a speed of 2666 MHz, it's optimized to deliver top-notch performance for your gaming rig or productivity powerhouse. With a CAS latency of 15 and timing set at 15-15-15-35, you can expect lightning-fast responsiveness across a variety of tasks. Installation is a breeze, thanks to its unbuffered, dual-channel design. Whether you're rocking an Intel Z170 or X99 platform, this kit seamlessly integrates into your setup. Plus, with a sleek blue heatsink, not only does it look cool, but it also helps dissipate heat efficiently, ensuring stable operation even under heavy loads. But what about real-world performance? Well, in our testing, the Ripjaws V series didn't disappoint. Whether we were multitasking, gaming, or running intensive applications, this RAM kept everything running smoothly without breaking a sweat. And with XMP 2.0 support, overclocking becomes a breeze for those looking to push their system to the limit. One of the standout features of this kit is its low voltage requirement of just 1.2 V. Not only does this help reduce power consumption, but it also means less heat output, contributing to overall system efficiency and longevity. In conclusion, the G.Skill Ripjaws V16GB DDR4-2666 RAM kit delivers on all fronts. With its stellar performance, easy installation, and sleek design, it's a worthy investment for anyone looking to take their PC to the next level. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, content creator, or simply want a snappier computing experience, this kit has got you covered. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.